Okay, wait. You need to see this. This is Luli Fama, live from Miami Swim Week 2024. And yeah, it's giving everything.
Allen, if you like, eat or less defeats. Science word is very brave. Need to learn it takes to be brave.
Just wait for it. The confidence in this collection unmatched. Real talk. Which look is your favorite so far? Drop it in the comments. I want to know. Look at these details though. Like, actually look. And they saved some of the best looks for last. And watch this.
Allen, if you like, eat or less defeats.
Miami Swim Week 2024. Luli Fama did not come to play. Miami Swim Week 2024. Luli Fama did not come to play. Which look was your favorite? Tell me below. And if you want more shows like this, there's a whole playlist waiting for you right there.